Hey, it's me, Wilke the Cry here, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to create a Facebook audience for any part of your email list. So right now I'm inside the ConnectAudience dashboard and I'm about to create a new audience. So the first thing I'm going to do is enter a name. I'm going to call it audience test, for example. I can, if I want, I can add a tag, which makes it easy to keep track of all the audiences that you're creating. Now next, you're going to select the autoresponder that you've connected with your account. In this case, I, for example, connected my GetResponse account. And now we can actually start targeting any part of our email list. So let's say I want to target people who are subscribed to, for example, a certain email list. So right now I'm targeting everyone who is subscribed to the email list, clients or social. Well, I can then add and or rule. So let me just show you that. So if I do this, let me just select another email list right here. Right now I'm targeting everyone who is subscribed to the email list, clients or social, or who is subscribed to the email list, clients video skin. So if they are on that list or they are on that list, they'll be included in this audience. Now what I can also do is I can also say, well, I want actually people, let me just delete this one. And as you can see, everything is really easy to use. I can also say, well, I want everyone who is on the email list, clients or social, and is subscribed to the email list, clients video skin. So this means that right now we're going to target everyone who is on both of these email lists. So your audience is even more targeted because now you know, like, these are the most passionate people because they purchased 2 of your products, for example. Now, of course, these are just some simple examples. We can also go for, let me just delete that. And let me just say I want to target everyone who's on that email list who has, for example, opened a certain email message. So we can just select any of your email messages that you sent recently, and you can see, you know, target everyone who has opened it, or maybe who has not opened it. So they did get it, but they didn't open it. Or, for example, who has clicked a certain link. And if we're going to do that, you can select the email message and then select the link inside the email. So if you have multiple links, you can even make sure that you can target everyone who has clicked on a certain link inside that email. So the possibilities are pretty much limitless because you can combine all of these. You can say, are they subscribed to an email list? Are they not subscribed to an email list? Have they received a certain email? Have they not received an email? Did they actually open it or did they not open it? Did they click on the link or did they not click on the link? And you can combine it any way you want. You can add multiple filters, for example, and that's really how it all is. And like you see, it's really easy to use. So now let me just go ahead and, for example, create an audience for, let's keep it simple, for people who are subscribed to that email list, and also to, for example, this email list right here. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to publish to Facebook. You have the option, yes. If you agree to the custom audience terms, you're going to select that. And finally, we have an option to, and this is really important and really powerful, to update this audience on a daily basis. So if we're going to select this, you can select the time. You can select any time of the day. And what this will do is it will automatically update your custom audience on Facebook based on the email list. So if we're going to do this, then every single day we'll reconnect your Facebook ads account with your autoresponder, and we're going to check, hey, are there any new people that have been added to any of those email lists? And if they have, then we're going to add them to the custom audience as well. And this means that it's always up to date because we're updating it every single day. So right now, let me just create the audience. Right now the audience has been created, so which means that Facebook is going to update it as we speak, and once it's done, it will show right here. Alright, the audience is now ready for use and you can use it in any of your Facebook ads. So let me just click on view so you can see it inside Facebook. As you can see right here, it's called audience test, as we called it. It's a custom audience and it's based on all the people that we just specified in our ConnectAudience interface. So let's say I want to create a Facebook ad and I want to send people to my website. I'm going to say, all right, let's send them to upviral.com. Click continue. And I want to target all these people. So I'm just going to enter the name right here, audience test, and you can now target to that specific part of your email list. It's really that simple. And of course, you can easily edit any of your audience by clicking on the edit button, and you can just change the rules for your current custom audience. And of course, you can also easily update it, which means that we're going to reconnect with your autoresponder right now and basically send over all the customers that are currently in the email list. So if you just had some people signing up an hour ago, they'll be included as well. And what you can even do is create a lookalike audience, which means that Facebook is going to see and check, hey, which audience is similar than the one that you've created. So based on the audience that you have right here, we're going to create an even wider audience with people outside who are not on your email list, so outside your email list, and you can target those. You can select which country you use. You can select how broad or how precise you want to target, and just click on create audience, and we'll do the rest for you. You can create unlimited audiences with your account, and of course we have all the instruction videos that you need, as well as an in-depth training course as well. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you on the inside, and I'll talk to you soon.